Hi, how are you? So today I'm going to show you how I edit my photos to get the golden hour effect. I'm using Lightroom on my iPhone, and I do have an Adobe subscription, but if I did my research right, uh, you don't need a subscription, it's totally free. Um, so yeah, if you want to turn your photos from this to this, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first we go to light and then exposure. I want to lessen the exposure since I took this photo when it was really bright outside. Once that's done, I lessen the contrast to make it look like the sun is really hitting the skin. I tend to avoid too much contrast in general because for me it makes a photo look cartoonish, but that's just an aesthetic preference. Next, I add highlights to get a more glowy look. Now I adjust the shadow to make the picture even brighter. And then the whites a tiny bit just to make some details pop. After fixing light, it's time to go to color and then temperature. Slide it towards yellow to get that warm tone. Then scroll down to vibrance and again slide it to the right. The same thing with saturation, just slide it to the right to get that golden look. Don't be afraid if it looks too yellow. It can look overwhelming if the original photo has very cool tones. Let's scroll all the way up and then go to mix. And then choose yellow and adjust the hue towards left. Okay, for me I don't really need to adjust the saturation more. I'll just leave it like that. And then just adjust the luminance to get a more sun-kissed look. Okay, so the next steps are optional. I'm adding a little bit of tint to create a more blushy look. And then I usually go to effects and scroll down to grain. I like adding grain because it gives texture and a retro feel. When you are done, just click the check on the top right side. If you want to export the photo to your library, just click on your photo and then the export icon. Save your adjustments by clicking on the dots and then create preset. Just type a name for your preset. I'm naming mine Golden Hour, then choose preset group. So basically, a preset group is like a folder where you can organize all your presets. The next time you want to edit your picture with the same preset, you can scroll furthest to the right and you'll find your preset there. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Of course, this preset isn't going to fit every picture since pictures are taken from different times of day with different types of lighting. But just don't be afraid to play around with the app a little bit, like maybe add more saturation in this picture or lessen the shadow on that picture. um, so yeah, if you want to see something else or learn something else, just let me know. You can also keep in touch with me on Instagram and on Twitter. I hope to see you next time. Bye!